The gatekeepers, we want to always switch a who to a where, right? So I'm never going to say, who should I talk to? I'm always going to say, where should I go? Right? So I've got a couple ideas, I think, for the business there that can save you guys a ton. And in terms of inbound leads, there's probably a bunch of them that are falling through the cracks there. I just wanted to make sure that your team was aware of it. Where would I go for something like that? Right? Oh, talk to Glenn. Cool. What's the best number for me to reach Glenn? But if I go, hey, I've found some information on how you guys their leads are slipping through the cracks. Who do I talk to? Email that to info@acme.com, right? Like the who gets people in trouble, where actually gets you where you want to go, which is the person. I'm not sure if it's for you, but if you work in sales and you absolutely positively have to double or triple the amount of money you're making in order to truly enjoy your life, click the link here. My name's Matt Easton. I'm the founder of Easton University. It's the most effective sales coaching in the world. Click the link here, check it out. You're gonna see we'll give you access to an on-demand learning portal that's gonna give you video coaching with me on everything you need to know to double or triple your income, or even more. Everything from prospecting to closing to handling objections and complaints to building your personal network and self-confidence, but it doesn't stop there. Click the link here. You're going to see that when you get a membership to Easton University, you're also going to have the ability to do live coaching with me twice a week. You can ask me any questions. We can work through anything you're struggling with. I will be there with you every step of the way to help you double your income in sales right now. Click the link now. You're going to see we've helped thousands of people just like you, and we have the video testimonials from them to prove it. Easton University is more than a learning portal. It's more than live coaching with me. It's your future, and you and your future are worth it. Click the link now. I'll see you at Easton University.